Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through on how to see your favorite videos on TikTok. So when you favorite any videos on your TikTok account, like this, it will be all saved in a particular place or in a particular section and you can watch all of them. So all you need to do is tap on your profile icon on the bottom right. Once you do that, it's gonna view all of your TikToks that you posted. Now on the top you can see a couple of options. You need to just tap on the third option, and as soon as you do that, you can see it just showed me the video that I just added to my favorite. Now similarly, you can also view your TikToks that you reposted and the TikTok that you like. So that's all for today. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. That's gonna be all for today, and I'll see you in the next one.